everyone, welcome to Srishti. Today I am going to show you how to do half double crochet. For this tutorial I am using DK acrylic yarn and a 4mm hook. Let's start. I have already done some chain to show you how to do it. For half double crochet, we will insert the hook in the third chain from the hook. The chain over the hook will not count as a chain. So this is the first chain, this is second, and this one is the third chain. We will insert the hook in the third chain. Before inserting, we will take the yarn over the hook and now insert it through the third chain from the hook and then grab the yarn and pull it through the chain. And now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now again grab the yarn and pull it through all the 3 loops. Now your half double crochet is done. And now again I am showing you yarn over, insert the hook through the next chain, grab the yarn, pull it through the chain. Now you have 3 chains or 3 loops over the hook, and now grab the yarn and pull it through all the 3 loops. Another half double crochet is done, and repeat it again and again and until the last chain, and I will show you after my first row. My first row is done. It will look like this, and to do the second row I will make 2 chains, 1, 2, and now turn your work. This 2 chain will count as first stitch, so we will skip the first one and we will do the half double crochet from the next stitch onwards. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Now grab the yarn, pull it through, and now you have 3 loops on the hook. Again grab the yarn and pull through all the 3 loops. Your half double crochet is done. Now do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull it through. Now 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through all the 3 loops. It is done. So I will show you after few rows how it will look. After few rows of half double crochet, it will look like this. It will give a very nice and thick texture. For half double crochet, the length will be in between the single crochet and double crochet. When we want to make some thicker project, we always use half double crochet instead of double crochet. And for half double crochet, you should remember few things. It will start from the third chain from the hook for first row, and second row onwards you will always do 2 chains in the starting, and you will do the half double crochet from next stitch onward. And do not forget to make the last half double crochet, which you will make on the top of that 2 chains that you have made in the starting of each row. So it will give a straight line, otherwise your number of half double crochet will reduce in each row. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.